Hello friends, for the third lecture I would like to show you all a simple cube means I will show you the models. I explained you in the last period what is a simple cube, what is a body centered and what is a face centered. And actually this solid state is completely an imaginary chapter. You just have to imagine what type of cells are there. Now talking about simple cube, I have brought some models for you and just watch. You will definitely that picture will go into your mind. What is simple cube, what is body centered and what is face centered. Now see this model in my hand. Can you see it? Okay. This is a face centered. This model is a face centered type of unit cell. Why I called it face centered? You can see there are how many particles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the usual particles which occupy their position in a simple unit cell. In simple unit cell, there are 8 particles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. But this is a model of face centered. But in face centered, what will be there? How many faces you have? See this model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And on the 6 faces, there are 6 particles in between the faces, right? So how will be the sharing of this particle? This particle will share half this side and half on this side. This will be important when we will calculate how much is the participation of this particle to calculate the number of atoms in face center. So just remember, why I am telling you like that? Because this is one unit of face center. When you attach other unit of face center, what will happen? This one will share half this side and half on this side. Okay? And the calculation I will tell you afterwards. Just remember how is the face centered cubic. Okay? So there are 6 particles on the face. Now see this one. See this one. This is the body centered. In body centered, what will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 particles as on usual primitive unit cell. Means consider how will be the simple unit cell without this particle. Okay. Without this particle, this is a simple cubic cell. And when there is 1 in the center, this becomes a body centered particle. Okay. And what is that crystal lattice which I had shown you? This type of cells will be arranged in vertical and horizontal manner. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 like that it will be shared. Okay. So when we will calculate the number of atoms, when we will calculate the number of atoms in body centered, how we will calculate it? There are 8 corners, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. And above this there is again one more same body unit cell. Left side, right side, up side, down side. Can you imagine? Like that crystal it will be there. Okay. And that time this corner particle is shared with 8 corners. Means what will be the, how much it will come into existence? 1 by 8 into 8. That is 1 by 8 into 8 means 1 particle plus 1 in the center. So how many number of atoms will be there in body centered? 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 in the center. That is 1 plus 1 means that will be 2. So in simple cubic unit cell, the number of atoms will only be 1. Why 1? Because we will consider this particle. This particle is shared with 8 such type, 8 corners. Okay. And that's why in primitive unit cell only 1. In body centered number of atoms will be 1 by 8 into 8 plus this center one. Okay. That will give you 2. And in face centered, again I am taking the model of face centered. In face centered, how many number of particles will be there? In face centered, there will be 1 by 8 into 8 means 1 plus 6 faces, 6 places and half of it. Okay, 6 faces and half of it means 6 upon 2, that is 3, and 3 plus 1, okay, that gives you 4. So number of atoms in face centered will be 4. Okay, how we will calculate it? I will show you it in the slide. Okay, got the clear picture of body centered, face centered and simple unit cell. Again, one more I will show you, that is the crystal lattice. This one. This is the hexagonal pattern. Just watch it. Hexagonal pattern. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and in face to face, 2 particles face to face. Same bottom side. Just I am showing you this in the video so that you will explain it when we will go to the crystal system. Okay. And now we will continue with the slides. How we will calculate the number of atoms in each unit cell.